asking our, I guess, question of the day. So much more of OT and for the People show. I guess that's what we're doing right now on Sportsnet 650.
In this house, teamwork makes the dream work.
There she gets it again, just 12 seconds.
Vancouver at the Iron Workers Business Stall eastbound on Highway 1 before Westview in the Central Lane. In Richmond, it crashes westbound on Highway 91 before Westminster. And you're going to find the stall in Langley, Highway 1 westbound just before 248. Savers love getting a good deal on quality products, which is why Savers love shopping at Save on Foods. Save on Savers. In the News 1130 Air Patrol, I'm Dawn Powers.
If you're looking for unmatched design and quality, allowing you to install, test, and flush lines with ease. With 31 locations across Western Canada, purchase heating, plumbing, HVAC, and irrigation supplies online at Sherritt.com. Andrew Sherritt Limited, a family and employee-owned company.
Streams of truth from the Sportsnet Now streaming playbook.
With Sportsnet Now, you are ready for a spiritual journey. Stream the game from your couch, to the kitchen, to the bedroom, back to the kitchen. You have the freedom to stream on any device, wherever your spirit takes you.
Sportsnet Now gives you 24/7 access to live stream your favorite sports in HD on any screen.
Mind grabbing me a drink while you're up? Thanks.
Monthly plan starting at $19.99. Visit snnow.ca for details.
At jackpotcity.net, you can do a